What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another tech review. This time we're looking at the GV1 portable, wait for it, projector from the company BenQ. Let's get it unboxed and let's check it out. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and just drop that price on you. This is going to run you about $379. Now this is small, it's portable. If you notice right here, it has a little hinge in it. You get a 15-degree angle. That's going to give you at least a 100-inch projection. It's battery powered, it's portable. It is Google Cast and AirPlay ready. It uses USB Type-C, has a 3-hour lifespan. It doubles as a Bluetooth speaker, which we'll check that out in a little while, but it only goes up to a 480p resolution. When you unbox this, this is what you get. Now, it is a little dark in this room because I'm going to be using this projector in just a little bit, and I wanted to go ahead and have the lighting bright. So when you unboxing this, this is what you get. One box right there. Another box right there. And the actual device right here. So no other boxes in the big box. That's it. I'm gonna take the big box and sit it down. We got the projector already here. So get this open. And we're gonna pull this film right there. Very satisfying sound. All right, you see how it hinges? So that's those are your angles right there. 15-degree, 100-inch projection, boom. You got our keystone right here. You got your power up top, volume up, volume down, and that's pretty much it. USB Type-C on the back, and you can actually mount this on a tripod. So now that we got that out of the box, let's move on to what was in these smaller boxes. So here you got your power adapter right here. Very small, very portable, and you get different prongs depending on what part of the world you live in. I live in the US, so this is the one that I will be using. And it just clicks on, just like that. So you click it on, nothing to worry about. I'm putting these back in the box though, just in case I travel overseas, I can use these. Another box. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, so we get a nice carrying bag. I like that. You get your BenQ logo right there on that bag. Perfect size. Looks nice. You get a USB-C to C cable. Let's go ahead and get this undone because we're going to be putting this to really good use in just a little bit. And you get a remote. So your remote actually has its own battery already in it. Just pull that tape out and you activate your battery. Remote comes with a battery, guys. All you companies out there, keep that in mind. When you send your remotes with batteries, it makes your customers happy. So this is everything that you get in the box. You get your adapter, you get your remote, you get your bag and your USB, and you get your starting guide, and we cannot forget the actual projector itself. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this thing connected. I'm going to walk you through those steps when I figure it out myself. That's why we got our startup guide right here. I'm going to read through this and I'm going to come back when I have everything ready to go. So stay tuned. Okay, so I have the BenQ GV1 right here, and you see it's projecting on the wall. Nice clear picture. Like I said, it only goes up to 480p, but it still gives you a really good picture. Now, a couple of ways that you can actually connect this. First off, I have my iPad right here. We're going to enter a basic mirroring mode. So I'm just going to plug it in USB Type-C to USB Type-C and get that there. And it's going to say it senses a input source. You're going to hit open, and I'm using the remote back here. And there you go. It's now going to mirror my screen. So it is mirroring my screen right here. Let's say I want to go to YouTube and pull up my channel and one of my latest videos. And that's it. Let's do it. I don't see any lag. Everything moves fluid. So video looks really good. You get nice sound off of the speakers that are built into here. Quality. So you know it says a 480p quality. I'm gonna hit that highest quality on the video, and you really don't tell a difference, but it's still a really good picture. It's really nice, really crisp, really clear.
I like that a lot.
Now you notice I went ahead and unplugged the USB Type-C from that. I'm gonna hit the home button right here, takes me back home. Now this has its own Wi-Fi hotspot. As you can see up in the right hand corner, the little beacon with the symbols coming off, it's actually giving off its own Wi-Fi hotspot. If you go into the settings, go over here to hotspot, it will actually give its own hotspot. The passcode is 1234567 by default, so you can go ahead and change that whenever you get ready. So now all I have to do on my iPad is go to the settings and find that hotspot. Now this works even if you do not have a Wi-Fi connection. So if you're somewhere where you do not have Wi-Fi and you're not able, this will give off its own Wi-Fi signal and you can connect that way. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So in order for this whole process to work, you're going to have movies already on your device, or you're going to have a hard drive connected, which I have a hard drive right here, 4 terabyte. This is my passport. So once you come onto your iPad, you're just going to swipe down from the top and you're going to do your little AirPlay gesture, and this will come up right here. Once that BenQ G1 symbol comes up, it's going to click on it, and now you should be ready to support speakers as well as TV on here. So I'm going to come over here and go into my hard drive, and in my hard drive have a video.
What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and no, this is not getting out of deja vu.
And there we go.
I released
completely wireless without a home Wi-Fi. This is giving off its own Wi-Fi signal, and you're able to use this over here and come over here with no problems whatsoever. So you actually get really good quality. This is just some video I shot with one of my drones. You get the same great quality you would on your iPad. There are no issues with this. I'm gonna turn one of my lights off right quick. So you notice you still get really good quality. You get good audio. Nothing is hindered just because you're using a Wi-Fi connection. This has its own hotspot, like I said. No issues whatsoever with that connection. So then you have the old-fashioned traditional way where you just basically go in, you connect to your home network, which I'm going to turn that on if I can get it to turn on. There we go. I'm going to actually turn that on. It's going to connect to my home network. So once you get this actually connected back to your home Wi-Fi, you're going to just come in, you're going to find you a movie. It's gonna start, it's doing this little thing, syncing up, and it should just start playing, and you shouldn't have any issues. And there we go. So connected through the home Wi-Fi signal, you're getting good picture. We're just gonna fast forward through this. There we go. So fast forward through, and now you get your same picture. You get good quality, no issues, and nothing whatsoever out of this projector. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to talk about is the ability to actually make this into a Bluetooth speaker. You're going to connect it through a Bluetooth setting. Remember, you got a Bluetooth button right up here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press that Bluetooth button, and it's going to put it into Bluetooth mode. It stops humming. It stops projection. There's no light, no nothing. And there we go. And I am now connected over here on my iPad. So you want to make it a Bluetooth speaker, touch that button, go through your normal Bluetooth setup, and you got it right here. I'm going to open up GarageBand and just play a song, and let's get it loaded. Always gives you that little thing letting you know that you are playing through AirPlay, so the quality may not be good, but it's always on point. You got your remote right here. You control your volume. So highs are good. Your bass sounds pretty good. I'm gonna actually let this play until a certain little track comes in. So you hear all the mids, all the range, highs, lows, everything sounds good. It's an awesome Bluetooth speaker, and it's an awesome projector all in one. Remember, your projection is gonna turn off while you're doing this mode, so you don't have to worry about that light shining, but you still get your on-off light up there, and you get the Bluetooth light now on right there. Sounds great, looks great, it's a great device. So all in all, the GV1 from BenQ is going to be a great device for you to try out. Has great highs, great lows, great mid-range speakers, nice Bluetooth setup. There's a projector, it hinges, it has a 15-degree angle. It's going to give you 3 hours of battery life on this. It hooks up through a power cable that's going to allow you to charge it up really fast. Only plugs into the wall though, so keep that in mind. It directly connects through a USB Type-C, has a tripod mount on it. What more can you ask for? Does everything that you would want and then some. Only thing that's may scare some people off is gonna be that price point, because it's gonna run you $379. But I think for this small package, it's a really good deal, and I think you'll really like it. It makes a really good partner for your iPad, because your iPad can connect either through a hardwire or through the Wi-Fi hotspot or through the Wi-Fi that you have in your house. 3 separate ways to connect, Bluetooth speakers. You can't go wrong with this device. I give it a big thumbs up. So hopefully this is able to help someone out. I'll be sure and drop that link below so you can check this out for yourself. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.